I recently had a customer bring a 2009 Hyundai Sonata to me with the problem of I believe it was the PO449 Vent Solenoid code, but the customer had the problem of unable to fill the tank without much effort. The gas nozzle shutting off due to the back pressure from the vent tube not working properly, and that's because of this part here. This is the charcoal canister. Now, most parts changers, I call them, there's a difference between mechanics and part changers. The part changer would take this piece here and throw it in the garbage and buy a new one for about $120 and charge the customer. A mechanic will fix this part for virtually nothing. But anyways, in the video here, I'm demonstrating how you can wash these out. Now, this tube was clogged, not with, I don't believe, dirt or dust from the air, but I believe it's clogged by its own charcoal fibers. Let me play the video for you. What I did was run really hot water through it. I stuffed it up into the faucet and back flushed it both directions a couple times. And you could see the black charcoal coming out. Now this, as I said, this part was very much restricted. But this fixed the problem of the code as well as the problem with filling the tank. You'll see here that it flushes out the carbon as soon as I plug it into the faucet. Now, I don't know how long this would work or last, this fix, but this part certainly is easy enough to put on and off. Now, you'll see here the dark charcoal coming out when I turn the pressure up. I believe this happens as the car ages and the charcoal disintegrates, hitting bumps and vibrations. And I believe you may be able to do this. I don't know how long this would last without you have to do it again, but the part's easy enough to take off. It's just a couple hose clamps right underneath near the gas tank. You can reach it from just laying under the back of the car without any jacks on this model. But this fixed problem